Okay, we are at Joe's Crab Shack in the border of Washington State and Oregon. And there's another bucket there. Bakit ka kumain? And it's Patricia. And it's Jay.
Okay, let's get cracking.
Okay, you can eat now. And that's what we call this river?
That's Columbia River.
Columbia, the famous Columbia River. Okay. And it's the weather is so nice. And this is again Joe's Crab Shack. Okay. Wow, I like that speedboat. Wow.
Is there a place here where you can go fishing? The river?
Further down the block. Right by the city, it's not as There's lots of places.
Okay. I'm gonna eat now. Sorry.
Alright, that other air corn will be out in just a couple minutes for you guys.